ஹலோ விவர்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு லாங்குவேஜ் மிஷன். இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம டிஆர்பி இங்கிலீஷ் 2005 to 2006 ஓல்டு இங்கிலீஷ் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் தான் நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், வேர்ல்டு என்விரான்மெண்ட் டே இஸ் அப்சர்வ்ட் ஆன் June 5. The first state in India to implement Panchayat Raj system was Rajasthan. What is the chemical name for baking soda? Sodium bicarbonate. The vitamin which helps in clotting of blood, K. The Chief Justice of India is R.C. Lohati. An emotion is excited or agitated state of mind. One of the most difficult development tasks of early childhood is learning to relate emotionally to other people. The carriers of heredity in any species are the genes. Intra-individual differences mean personality difference between individuals. Spirit of inquiry in teachers' education could be enhanced through the study of educational psychology. Human rights education aims at creating awareness of human rights and ways to practice them. A woman is said to play a dual role because she is a homemaker as well as a breadwinner. A good leader is one who receives involuntary cooperation from followers. Guidance in education is a process of diagnosis and prognosis. Social education is aimed to create social awareness and develop social change. In the theory of psychosocial development, Erikson refers to ego-identity crisis to be arising in adolescence when answer the individual finds it difficult to choose a social role suitable for himself. Rational thinking is affected by emotions. Content of functional education includes literacy, numeracy, and technocracy. The very popular technical innovation in teaching is computer laboratory. When the urge for action is in the action motivation, it is said to be intrinsic. Decision making forms an integral part of evaluating. If a value helps in the achievement of certain and or purpose, that value is called inducive value. Education related to the needs of the people and the improvement of the socio-economic status is known as functional education. Many problems in India are due to overpopulation. The application of the principle of distributive justice in respect of good education is called as equalization of educational opportunities. The Red Fort of Delhi was built by Shah Jahan. Tropical cyclones in China and Japan are known as hurricanes. Match the following. Anni Besant, New India. Subramania Iyer, Hindu. The Hindu on the Subramania Iyer. Motilal Nehru, Independent. M.K. Gandhi, Young India. Answer D. The next Olympic Games will be held at Beijing. இது வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா 2005 to 2006 நடந்தது. இப்போ வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா டோக்கியோ, ஜப்பான், ஜூலை 23 8 ஆகஸ்ட் வரைக்கும் நடந்தது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். On which river has the Hirakud Dam been built? Mahanadi. The major aim of population education is to persuade people to have small family. Esteem and self-esteem need best to be met through achievement. Literature, painting, music and other fine arts can be grouped under aesthetic imagination. Intelligence tests are useful for comparing different groups. Mental growth of a child is related to the rate of physical growth. Job, the biblical character, lived in the land for Uzbek. Uzbek அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா country in Central Asia. The two lake poets are Coleridge and Wordsworth. Vaudeville is another title for Twelfth Night. Lakunli in The Lion and the Jewel is a schoolmaster. Which two spellings are found acceptable by Henry Brownlee? English and French. Season of mist and mellow fruitfulness, close bosom friend of the maturing sun. This line refers to autumn. Identify the speaker of this line. My poet's vanity dies in shame before thy sight. Rabindranath Tagore. Standardization of spelling was attempted by Dr. Johnson. In which of the following works does Squire Allworthy appear? Tom Jones. Thou hast one aim, one business, one desire. Find out from which text this is taken. The Scholar Gypsy. Conceit is associated with. Answer, Metaphysical School. Matthew Arnold is not associated with. Answer, Objective Correlative. The narrator of Moby Dick is. Answer, Ismail. Formalistic approach concentrates mainly on structure of the work. Find out which one of the following does not belong to four kinds of meaning. Sense. Hotspur is the rebel in the play. Answer, Henry IV, Part 1. Dance of Shiva at Tillai represents the aspect of Ananda. The earliest foreign language that affected English is German. The themes of All for Love are love and honor. The old order changeth, yielding place to new. The speaker of this line is King Arthur. Growth of a poet's mind is otherwise called the prelude. Who is the character that speaks? The rare action is in virtue than in vengeance. Prospero. Who is the character that speaks? Sociological novel. Which two characteristics are applicable to The Rape of the Lock? Mock, epic and satire. The story of Wuthering Heights is narrated by Mr. Lockwood. One of the following is not a writer of sea novels. Identify him. William Faulkner. The printed line accompanying a new story giving the author's name is byline. New criticism expects the readers to employ close attention to the text. The scenic background of Spenser's Faerie Queene is England. Yet who would have thought the old man to have had so much blood in him? The old man referred to is Rosorius. Life and thought are best expressed in Walden. Find out the dramatist not connected with the Irish theatre movement. Oscar Wilde. My imagination is a monastery and I am its monk. The speaker of this verse is Keats. Who said the virtue of prosperity is temperance, the virtue of adversity is fortitude? Bacon. The authors of tales from Shakespeare are Charles Lamb and Mary Lamb. A candle that stops burning can never light another candle. It is said by Tagore. The emigration of talented trained person is known as brain drain. The salient feature of Gandhian concept of basic education is job oriented. The first essential thing that promotes national integration is to celebrate national days. The best approach in educational administration is democratic. Select the two authors whose works are strongly characterized by feminism. Sarojini Naidu and Kamala Markandeya. A thought to done was an experience. It modified his sensibilities. This is from T.S. Eliot. Sidney's apology for poetry is considered to be a defense of poetry. The theme of Ode to Dejection is declining poetic ability. Select the play of Soliloquies from the list given. Hamlet. Samson Agonistes is a classical tragedy. What is the name of Arthur's sword? Excalibur. Samuel Lincoln Clement is original name of Mark Twain. Select the one associated with the movement poets. Philip Larkin. Fry's archetypical criticism is based on two of the following: the Golden Bough and Jung. The pioneer of practical criticism is I.A. Richards. Negative capability is associated with the works of Shakespeare. The pilgrims in the Canterbury Tales met at Tabardine. Select the last two plays of Shakespeare's dramatic career: The Tempest and Pericles. Johnson's Life of Milton is a controversial criticism. Expressionism is a movement associated with painting. Choose the unfinished poem from the following Christabel. Find out which is not a Roman play, Macbeth. Select the work which is not written by Griscana, Cantabra. Voiced sounds are those produced with vocal cords in vibration. The hero of Things Fall Apart is Wokonko. A diphthong is a gliding from vowel to vowel. Strong stress is also called primary stress. Mary Ann Evans is the original name of George Eliot. Good fences makes good neighbors. The author of this line is Robert Frost. The hero of Mugdadara is Abjit. The vocal cords are situated in larynx. The way of the world is suitable example of comedy of manners, which is not the theme of the wreck of the rich land, the poet's faith in God. Imagism is Anglo-American movement. The title Things Fall Apart by Agby is from Second Coming. Select which is not the cause of great development of English in the modern period, Renaissance. Select the chief source of the Pilgrim's Progress from the following the Bible. The expression Hieronymus mad again is from the wasteland. Choose from the following the theme of Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf, Honor. The hero of the Harry Apple is a stoker. The theatre where the audiences are also actors is called meta-theatre. A sound magician is a mighty god. This line is from Dr. Faustus. The first hair of my invention. This line applies to Shakespeare's Venus and Adonis. The translation of Gitanjali into English is done by Tagore. Find out who is not the precursors of Romanticism, Gray. Select the work written by Matthew Arnold from the following Sweetness and Light. The term postmodernism was first used by Toynbee. Find the writer who employed the term metaphysical poetry, Dr. Johnson. Find out which is the dark comedy in the list given, Measure for Measure. The source material for Antony and Cleopatra is not translation of Plutarch. Arthur Jarvis of Cry the Blood Country is a fighter for justice. The universal language device is standard English. Never believe what is said is the underlying theme. The school for scandal. The technique used in Wreck of the Dutch Land is sprung rhythm. The space between vocal cords is called glottis. Adonis is an elegy written on Keats. Find out from below the number of Shakespeare's sonnet 154 sonnet. Which of the following are both historical plays, Larin Sahib and Dughlaq? The words branch and medical belong to the category of portmanteau. Identify the speaker of this line. It is a tale told by an idiot full of sound and fury signifying nothing. Macbeth. The function of novelist according to Agby is to write for African. What is the number of the branches of Indo-European family? 10. The Nut Brown Maid is a ballad. Find out who in the list given is referred to as Sage of Celsia. Carlyle. Find out the two characteristics in Old English from the following gradation and immutation. The author of Oriental Eclogues is Collins. Identify the speaker of the statement. The progress of an artist is a continual sacrifice, a continual extension of personality. T.S. Eliot. Sylvia Plath's Daddy is autobiographical poem. Which of the following is not a modern school of thought? Stream of consciousness. Indicate the anthology from which Because I Could Not Stop for Death is taken. The Chariot. Papacy refers to freelance photographer. Willing suspension of disbelief is associated with Coleridge. English Seneca is the term referring to kid. Identify the character of whom Jane Austen said a heroine who no one but myself will like, Emma. Emerson's The American Scholar refers to a man thinking. In journalism, Coushatta refers to series of articles of public interest. In the essay of dramatic poesy, Eugenius argues for the modern drama. The alchemist in Ben Jonson's play is subtle. She gave me eyes, she gave me ears, and humble tears, and delicate fears. His sister. Students, இந்த கொஸ்டின் இதோட முடிஞ்சது. Thank you. All the best.